the cable machine rope handle face pull exercise for the rear deltoids, or the head at the back of the shoulder. This exercise is great for hitting those hard to hit rear deltoids, keeping your feet square and knees soft and core tight. Pull the handle towards your face, separating your elbows and feeling the squeeze in your rear deltoids. It is hard to hit this area, so you may need to lift your elbows higher or lower depending on your body dynamics. Great demonstration, Nat. Make sure you pause at the end of each movement as demonstrated here and lower slowly, keeping your elbows soft.